Are you looking for a way to charge on the go? Well, let's look at this power bank. Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be looking at the YKZ Super Power Bank. As you know, in each episode, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. As you know, we do a full unboxing, but check this out. This is the YKZ Super Power Bank, 40,000 mAh. So this thing could charge your phone, I don't know, 4 times or more from completely dead. This thing is awesome. Packaging looks great. The ultimate outdoor power bank. Phenomenal. Great packaging. Let's unbox it. Just pull the sleeve off. First thing in the box is the manual right here. Just a little user manual. It's got all the information on it, such as like the inputs and outputs, what all the settings do, how everything works. Fantastic. They also give you this free charging cable right here, USB-C to USB-C. Looks like a long cable, huge fan of that. Very nice addition. And the actual battery bank. This thing is awesome. It's also pretty hefty. Look at that. Fantastic. That's so cool that you can see inside of it. It's got a flashlight built into it. There's all your plugs. Wow. YKZ, this thing looks great, fantastic quality. Can't wait to test it out. And also, for you guys, woo! You know we gotta do it. Awesome.
Ultra-fast 100-watt two-way charging. Say goodbye to waiting around for hours. Our power bank's 100-watt PD and bidirectional technology ensure lighting fast charging for both itself and your devices. Stay powered up and fully charged in no time. Perfect for travelers and people on the move. Massive 40,000 mAh capacity. Never run out of power again. With a whopping 40,000 capacity, our power bank can charge your iPhone 14 Pro up to 8 times, MacBook Pro and iPad Pro multiple times. Stay connected and powered up throughout your daily life and outdoor activities. Universal compatibility for 4 devices. Charge all your devices simultaneously. Our power bank features 100-watt PD, USB-C 1, PD 30 watts, USB-C 2, and 2 18-watt USB-A ports. Supporting up to 4 devices at once, is compatible with laptops, phones, iPads, and more, making it the perfect companion for your family and friends. Smart IPS display and see-through design. Stay in control of your power. The Smart IPS screen shows your battery power, output, temperature, working time, and more throughout the charging process. Admire the beauty of technology inside out through the transparent design, giving you insights into its performance. Versatile LED lighting. Eliminate your adventures with ease. Our power bank features a flashlight with 5 modes: low, normal, high, long range, and SOS flashing. Whether you're camping, experiencing power outages, or exploring the outdoors, you'll always have the perfect lighting. Ready for any adventure. Water, dust, and shock resistant, your reliable companion for any adventure. With IP67 waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof features, our power bank can handle whatever the great outdoors throws at it. No need to worry about splashes, drops, or dusty trails. It's built tough to withstand it all. Wow, YKZ, thanks to you, whenever we have another tornado, you have me covered. We'd like to give a huge shout out to YKZ for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!